I give thanks for another perfect day. God, I thank you that you created us as multifaceted human beings. And it is not your intent that we simply read about miraculous encounters in a book that is 1,000 years old. But you intended for us to be the book, to become the living word, to become a living manifestation of your unlimited promises. God, I thank you that you created us as a masterpiece, and it is an essential part of your plan that we live out our purpose. God, I thank you that we are unapologetically stepping into the gifts and the superpowers that you have unleashed within each of us. You are the great I am that I am, and we are a reflection of who you